everyone, Sophia here from my great challenge. Welcome back to my channel. It's Saturday, it's the 18th, and I only have 2 days left on my vacation. You know, I gotta go back to work on Monday. What am I doing today? I'm gonna show you what I got at Goodwill yesterday, and then I'm busy today, very busy. There's a garage sale up 1 block. I'm gonna go do that, see what they have, because the other day they had the town-wide garage sale and I found a ton of stuff and all of it is gone already. So you know, I find good stuff at garage sales, so I'm gonna do that. So after the garage sale I have to go to the bank, run some errands. I have 9 or 10 packages that I need to brown wrap. Most of them are here and are ready to be wrapped. There's only one that I need to actually box, because that one was not pre-boxed, so I have to do that. Hopefully I make it to the post office today, otherwise I'll make it on Monday. But you know, if you look at the policies on the shop, it says that I ship within 5 business days, so I'm still within the right, you know, but it's still, people want the stuff, right? Okay, so there's that, and then we gotta clean out the whole garage. And put stuff up for sale on Facebook Marketplace, so, and then a few on Etsy. Anyway, how are we doing with the stain? I'm right there in the living room. It's almost, hello baby, hello. Okay, it's almost gone, so I'm gonna keep putting peroxide on it. I think that by tomorrow I'll be ready to restain the floor. I want to show you what I got at Goodwill. So it starts with this one here. They're a little bit all over the place. This is actually a signed art by some guy named Javi G. It's called Jerusalem Festival. It's professionally framed, and it's got some gold on it and stuff. It's actually pretty neat. I like that. So I got that for $6.99, $7 at Goodwill. I'm gonna see if I can get $30 for this. All right, now we got these two here. These are fabulous. These are mid-century lamps, and guess what? They work. And there's a light inside the base right here. So when you turn, it's a two-way. One way turns on this one way turns on the other one, and one way turns on both of them. They were $12.99 each. Those are gonna go on eBay. I think I can get close to $150 for those two. That was a great find. Okay, this one. This is really cool. This is a Harris pottery. I think they're defunct now. This is not super vintage, but it's, you know, it's out there. I think it's from the 80s. It's a very nice vase, very well made. I got 2 sets of these. They were still boxed. I don't think they're vintage, but they're really nice. They are demi-tasse sets. Made by Sango Korea, and they have gold on it. You see that? So I have 2 sets of those. And again, these I don't think they're old at all. They might be 80s, 90s, but they're in perfect condition. They never wear often. So I paid $9 for those. So that's gonna go up for sale. Beautiful set. I got these. These are fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. I got 9 cups and saucers of these. And you're probably wondering, well, what's the big deal? Well, the big deal is that they're from Gien, France, which is a very high-end, super expensive company. I can't afford them. My mom can't afford them. This is the Oiseau Bleu, which is Bluebird collection. And I got 9 of them for, and you see they have a transferway of berries on it. I got 9 of them for $12.99, and 1 set, just 1 of those, and I got 9. 1 of those sells on eBay for $30. So I'm gonna see if I can. I don't want to, you know, go crazy with the prices. I'm gonna see if I can sell all 9 as a set for like $65, $70. I'm sure somebody will buy them because they are absolutely stunning. And they're very, like, it's a reputable, you know, brand, Gien. Then I got these 2 little guys here, and these were kind of inexpensive, but I thought they were really cute, and somebody for sure would want to have them. These are little candle holders from West Germany, and it says made in West Germany, so obviously this is you know, pre-1990, and each of them has little birds transferred on them. They're kind of non-discreet but discreet, that's what I want to say. On the table, like if you want to have candles but you don't want like big chandelier or candelabras, this is a good alternative. They're very pretty, I like those, and they can pass for every season. And I think that's it, and that's all I got at Goodwill, really. Not a lot. The lamps were the big deal. So we'll see what happens. I'm waiting for Tubby to come in so we can go to the garage sale and go to the bank and do all the other stuff we have to do. I'm going to try to take it easy today. One, because finally got a second pair of hand. And two, because I had a hard time getting up this morning. And I'm a little sore. It's 9 o'clock already. I need to have some toast. Scott is still upstairs. I'm going to have an extra cup of coffee, have some toast, and then wait for my business partner to show up and get on with the day. So I don't know what kind of video you're going to get today because it's getting quite hectic. I now have 10 boxes that I need to wrap with the brown paper and go to the post office for. So I need to do that first. Well, we need to do that because I'm not alone today. And then, so he's going to do that. He's going to wrap the stuff with the brown paper while I'm going to continue to post stuff on Etsy. And then we're going to the garage and we're going to clean stuff and put it on the Facebook Marketplace. So I guess I'll see you in the garage. But for now, we need to wrap the stuff and go to the post office before it closes. Okay, I'm in the garage. I need to find stuff that I can post on the Facebook Marketplace that require cleaning. I'm going to start with that, the table. I'm going to do the table, and I'm going to do, I need to, you like my t-shirt? I need to, it's hot. It's really hot today. I'm going to do the wagon, and I'm going to put the table first up. So let me show you the table. It's this thing right here. So this is going to be online sometimes tonight. Somebody asked for it already. These are going to be online sometimes tonight too. Somebody asked for them already. Okay, so I have this table here. It's like a demi-lune. Found that on the street, you guys. Isn't it nice? So what I'm going to do is clean it up. And I'm going to use my Restore finish in walnut. And I got to figure out how much I can sell that for. I think $25, $30. What do you think? Posted, but I need to figure out how I'm going to clean this up now. This is vintage. You know what it is. Do these go this way? I think this one this way. Now I understand that back in the days you would get this one for free at a gas station after you spend X amount of money. But folks are asking for a lot of money for these online. I'm not going to sell it for that much. I'm probably just going to sell it for $75, something like that. I just need to restore it a little bit. It's kids' names that we added to it. I'm going to remove that. I'm going to put the Rejuvenate pretty much on everything. It's really, really cool, but it needs to be seriously cleaned out and dusted. So I need to get a good brush. clean this baby out. So I think that somebody would love to have this in their yard to put potted plants, things like this, or even if I clean it out nicely enough for the kids. So I'm posting stuff on Facebook and I forget to film. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 items that have been cleaned. I want to show you something because I think it's really cool. I don't know if it's going to sell, but it's really cool. These are cigar boxes, which people buy for various arts and crafts. But these, I have 5 of them. They're made to look like little crates. The good thing is that the sticker actually comes off really easily, and inside are all of these glass things that you keep your cigars in. So I'm thinking about removing all of the stickers and selling the boxes with the glass tubing and put them on Etsy. I have 5 of them. I don't know. What do you think? Is that something that people would buy? I mean, because really you can remove, see, the sticker can be removed, right? And I can remove the Surgeon General one too. And I think they look really, really cool. Even if you just wanted to put your remote control in it. So tell me down below, what do you think? Do you think those would sell? Should I put them on Etsy? And then I have all of these cigar boxes. I used to have a whole bunch of those with grandiose ideas that I was going to do something with them. And of course I never did. And I see them for sale. This one has those as well on Etsy, but I just don't know if people sell them. So anyway, so here's oh, and this one's got the humidor in it and a cigar cutter. How about that? But I don't think I can sell this. I think that this is part of the tobacco thing. I need a license for that stuff, but I would definitely sell one of the boxes with the humidor in it.